This is Adam from Mecanto.com, product review website. I am going to do a demo on Video Ad Rival, a WordPress plugin created by Peter Beatty. This is coming tomorrow, but I have an early copy of the program that I've obtained, or the plugin I should say, and we're going to take a look at it. I will be activating it on my test WordPress site for the first time, so this is my first time using Video Ad Rival, but I've obviously acquainted myself with what this product is all about prior to going in on it. And so to give you an idea before we begin, let me read a quick section from the Video Ad Rival JV page. And it says that Video Ad Rival is a WordPress plugin that monetizes videos and increases sales by powering videos with in-video ads and promotions. In a nutshell, what that is referring to is a system that many of the largest authority websites are using, such as CNN, ESPN, Huffington Post. And what that is, if we take a look at their sample sales page here, I can show you what he's referring to if I can actually find it. And it doesn't look like I can. Oh, here we go. So basically, what that is referring to, let me go ahead and let this video play for a moment and turn the sound off.
Yeah, I'm on it. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Okay, so it's not going to let me turn the sound off, but as you can see, when you notice the title of this video is CNET Top 5 Viral Video Ads, obviously that's not the advertisement that's playing. So what this is an advertisement that you've probably, I'm sure you've seen by now, how you watch a video on YouTube and oftentimes it'll play a 30-second ad before that video. Well, you can do the same thing with your own advertisements and play them before videos that you embed on your website. So, for instance, if you've purchased one of the many video creation products that have come out in the past, I want to say 6 months or so, and you're struggling to find a way to monetize these videos, this is one way that has been proven to monetize videos very effectively, because people are much more responsive to video advertisements on the internet compared with television advertisements, for example. Not sure if you know that, but these are the facts. So, with that said, let's go to my testing WordPress site, and I'm going to activate this plugin. So what I want to do is go to my plugins area and click Add New, Upload, and then I'm going to choose the plugin from where I saved it on my hard drive. And let's see, that would be right here. There is the zip file. Click Install Now. It's not too big, so it should upload, as you can see, fairly quick. Go ahead and activate. Once you activate, it will ask for your license key, and I'm going to have to pause the video so I don't show you my access key. But before doing that, I need to figure out where this has been installed to. So it would be under your settings. I think I found it here. So look under your settings and you'll find Add Video Player. So this is actually it's a special video player that can do something that I haven't seen any other WordPress plugin allow you to do. So I'm going to pause for a moment, register, and then come right back. Alright, now that I've registered, I'm in the main area in which I can add a new player, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new player here. Click on the player settings, so we have player settings and we have videos. Let's see, video player type. So as you can see, you can insert links to HTML videos, and you can also use YouTube or Vimeo. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, Vimeo videos. So what I'm going to actually do is go ahead and grab a link of a video just to have it handy, because the time will come and we're going to want to have a video to use. So let's go to my own video library here and pick out I don't know, let's see, let's do the Engageifier 3-in-1 product overview. And I'm just going to put this on my notepad so I have it linked for later on. Actually, let's go ahead and I think we could put that in now. So clicked add new video, and not sure if I did anything there. Maybe this is something that I have to do after working on the player itself. So let's go through this. We're going to call this testing. That's the name of the player. You can set the width and height. Here I'm going to leave that as default. I want it to be mobile responsive. Do I want to allow users to skip ads? I'm going to be a jerk and say no, but obviously, you know, you can do whatever you want. I just know that YouTube forces me to watch their ads, so either way, then we're going to select player shadow. I am not familiar yet with what these are, so I'll leave it on effect 1. And then we have a poster image. I would imagine that's a background or overlay for, you know, this will show up in the video frame, for example, before your visitors play the video. We're going to leave that blank. I don't have one. Show now playing title. Yes. Use social share on self-hosted videos. Yes. Logo. If you have a logo, you can use that as well. I do not. So I'm going to select no to that one. And the logo position follows. That doesn't apply to us, obviously. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and grab just any logo. The reason being, there's quite a few logo options here, and I'm sure, you know, it might help you guys to see what exactly that is. So let me go ahead and pause and find any old logo that we can test and play with here. So I've gone through Google Images, and some sample logos are here. I'm going to pick one of them at random. Actually, let's do this. I want one that's transparent. So we would go to, where's the type? Gosh, maybe transparent. Oh, here we go. So this will be fine. It's generic as hell, but honestly, what does it matter? So, okay, that's not going to work, is it? Not letting me get through to that one. Or can we? I apologize for the delays, guys. Alright, so I ended up just creating my own, and it's very generic, but at least I know for a fact that it's a transparent logo. So let's go ahead and grab that one, and there it is, sample logo. Select, And now we have it. It's going to go in the bottom right. It'll be clickable. And when someone clicks the logo, they will be redirected to google.com. So next we have the behavior on video finish. What do we want to do? Play the next video. If you have a playlist, I imagine that would be in effect. Restart the video or stop. I'm going to stop it. Do we want to autoplay? I'm going to say no. Random video on page load, no. Shuffle, no. Auto hide control seconds. This means after 4 seconds it'll auto hide the play button, etc. And full screen, native or browser. All of these look good. Moving on, playlist. We're going to turn the playlist off since we only have one video here. And YouTube skin, we'll leave those as default, but we will not show related videos, I believe, at the end. And the other settings apply to HTML5 and Vimeo, which we are not using in this example. So we're going to go and save the changes here. And now let's see if we can select a video. So still will not let me do that. Okay, well, let's see here. All right, let's start from here. So we have, here is the player that we created, the testing player, right? So if we click on that, we go back to the editing area, and it does not seem to let us add a video. Alright, so I just paused and found out that there was a plugin conflict with another WordPress plugin called VideoJacker, which actually has conflicts with all kinds of plugins. So I disabled VideoJacker, and now when we go back to our player and click on videos here, and when we click add new video, this is what we should have seen. Plenty of options, more than I was expecting, which was just the YouTube URL that I have ready over here. I'm going to still copy that URL to have it handy, but we're going to call this the video ad arrival test. And description, this is my YouTube test for video ad arrival. Now I'm not sure if this video is supposed to be my advertisement that goes in front of other videos, or if it's my main video, but we will definitely figure that out. Oh, I already see my answer here. It's pretty intuitive. Anyways, thumbnail image. I'm going to leave that blank. YouTube ID. I think, let me take a look at these other things here. So when it asks for YouTube ID, let me show you this link here. A standard YouTube link is going to have the watch $V equals, and this after the equal sign is apparently the ID the plugin will be looking for. So this is your main video. I'm going to go ahead and put the ID there. Do we want to show pre-roll video ad? Okay, now this is our advertisement that will play before the main video. So for that, I'm going to go to YouTube and find, I don't know, shoot. Let's see, what kind of advertisement? Let's do a pizza ad, okay? How about a, you have a short, here's New ad for Little Caesars Bacon Pizza. Let's see. This one might work. Let's see, actually. Little Caesars Bacon Pizza. That one, I don't want Jimmy Kimmel at the beginning of it, so I just need that short, that really short ad. I think this one will work. Let's take a look at yeah, this one will work. Okay, so this is going to be our ad. It's going to be a pizza. Of course, in reality, this would be your ad if you're really using this for your business. So for this one, it wants the entire video ad link URL. So I'm going to paste that in there. Actually, as it turns out, I've made a mistake here. This is your ad link URL. This is where you want the visitors to be directed if they click your advertisement. So I'm going to send them to, let's get Little Caesars URL, and we'll use that. So basically I needed to, okay, so there's the URL for Little Caesars, and now this is the video. Now notice that you need to use an MP4. Okay, so here's a tip. If you want to convert any YouTube video or Vimeo to an MP4, go ahead and grab the link. Go to the website keepvid.com. Very helpful site. I use it all the time. Paste your link at the top. Click download, and it will take a moment to load your videos here, but once it does, you're going to have several options to download this. It will work for, again, any YouTube video, and you want to click run if this comes up. Once you do that, you will have the options here. So right click the MP4 option, save as, and I'm going to drop it right here. Let's see. From there, you obviously need to upload this somewhere. So let's see. Maybe you have a Dropbox account. That's where I'm going to try to drop this one. Not sure if that will work, but I'm going to pause as I sign in and upload this video. Alright, hopefully this will work. I uploaded that to Dropbox. I'm going to get rid of the download code at the end of that link so that it ends with .mp4. Okay. And from there we should be set up, because everything else relates to pop-up ad images or text. I do not have either one prepared, but for instance, if you wanted to show a pop-up advertisement, what you might do here, after the Little Caesars advertisement plays, you could configure the plugin so that at the end of the advertisement, it will bring up a logo or an image advertisement as well. That's entirely up to you. You can do the same thing with text, such as click here to get, you know, a 50% discount today only, or whatever you want to do. Basically, this plugin allows for you to be creative with your advertisements, which is always nice. So I think at this point we can go ahead and save our changes, and we should be ready to use this video. What we want to do now is go back to Add Video Player, grab the code, and our video is now connected to this code. So all you have to do is copy and paste this simple short code, create a new post, and paste your short code there. And at this point we just cross our fingers and hope that I didn't screw this one up. If I didn't, we should have a page that shows a video, an advertisement, I should say, followed by a video. Let's take a look. Here is the video player. As you can see, the little shaded background here is the video player template that we chose. Remember, there's about 7 or 8 different templates you could also use, and you could resize this frame and do whatever you want with it. Now, the moment of truth has arrived. We're going to go ahead and play this, and as you can see, here is the advertisement, but nothing has come up. So let's do this. I believe that might have something to do with the Dropbox host. Let me go ahead and upload the video somewhere else. We could upload it actually to WordPress. That might work. Let's try that. And I do apologize for this inconvenience, but hopefully, you know, again, I'm learning as I go. This is the first time using this plugin. With that considered, I don't think we're doing too bad. Everything has been more, for the most part, very intuitive. And probably what we should have done from the very beginning is uploaded all media through your WordPress site, my WordPress site in this case, because whether it's an image or video, because that's what this is here for after all. So this is the URL that I probably should have used all along. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the Dropbox link with ZeroBest, which is the website we are on. And remember, I just went to Media, Add New, selected my video, save changes. Now we're going to do this one more time. Go ahead and get the short code, copy, add new post, and I'm going to call this last try. Now we're going to preview and once again cross our fingers. So click play.
Before Little Caesars created the new
there
bacon
it
wrapped
is.
deep dish pizza topped with pepperoni and bacon and wrapped in over 3.5 feet of bacon, we only had one question. Is this much bacon even legal?
So I've paused the ad here. I turned off the option to skip the ad, which may have been good actually, because I don't want to have to play the remaining 20 seconds of this and just kind of sit here. But as you can see, this is what it does. It plays your advertisement, leads into the video just as it would on YouTube. Only you would be using your own advertisement, so you can imagine the possibilities here. It's a great way to monetize videos that are on your website, because you can monetize any video this way, whether it's, you know, not even your video. You know, it gives you a way to kind of insert your branding into the picture, and it really, you know, in a weird way, it adds a professional element to your website. And I say that because the highest authority websites today are using this technology. So it kind of, you know, it kind of makes you appear to be playing on the same field as these top websites out there. And I would say that's good for your brand and image. So that is about it. Thank you for watching this demo with me. I recommend this plugin. It's straightforward, it's simple, and it gets a specific job done that I haven't seen any other WordPress plugin or tool that offers this feature. So here's the deal. I am still in the process of writing my review for this product. Obviously, I haven't published it yet because I've just used it for the first time. But you will see the link to my review below this video, and if you click on that, it will take you to Mecanto product reviews, and I'll just show you this website really quick because you're going to see a review, and if you purchase the product through my review page, I'm referring to Video Ad Arrival, if you purchase through my review page, you will also receive all of the bonuses that I offer, which are 31 really cool bonuses. And if you don't like any of them, you will see a link below the 31st bonus. If you click that link, you will go to my master list of bonuses, and you can substitute any products from this list with anything on my master list to make sure that you will only get products that you genuinely want to have. So with that said, I think we can go ahead and wrap this one up. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.